Shri Shri Ramakrishna Kathamrita, Volume 1. Introduction. A brief life sketch of Thakur Shri Ramakrishna. At Kalna he met Bhagwan Das Babaji. Seeing Thakur's state of samadhi, Babaji said, "You are indeed a great spiritual soul, only you are fit to take the seat of Chaitanya Deva." Thakur practiced the disciplines of the Vaishnavas, the Saktas, the Shivas. He also recited the name of Allah and meditated upon Christ. He realized that they all led to the same goal. In his room there were pictures of gods and goddesses and an image of the Buddha. There was also a picture showing Jesus Christ saving Peter from drowning. These pictures can still be seen if you go to that room. English and American devotees can now be seen meditating upon Thakur in the room. One day he implored the Divine Mother, "O Mother, I would like to see how your Christian devotees pray to you. Please take me to a place where they worship you." In a few days he went to Calcutta and watched a Christian service. Standing at the entrance to the church when he returned, Thakur said to the devotees, "I didn't enter the church to sit for fear of the steward of the Kali temple. I said to myself, maybe he wouldn't allow me to enter the temple." Thakur had many women devotees. He called Gopal's mother Mother and referred to her as Gopal's mother. He looked upon and worshipped all women as incarnation of Bhagavati, the Divine Mother. He said, as long as a man cannot see a woman as mother herself, he cannot have pure love for God. He warned men to guard themselves against women till that state is reached. He went so far as to forbid young men to keep the company of even the most devout women. He once said to the Divine Mother, "Mother, I will run a knife across my throat if any lustful thought arises in my mind." Thakur's devotees are countless. Some are known, others unknown. It is impossible to name all of them. The names of many of them will be found in Sri Sri Ramakrishna Kathamrita. Those who visited him during their boyhood are Ramakrishna, Paltu, Tulsi, Shanti, Shashi, Vipin, Hiralal, Nagendra Mitra, Upendra, Surendra, and Suren. A number of little girls also saw Thakur. Now they too are his devotees. Many became his devotees after he ended his divine play, and others are still coming. In Madras, Sri Lanka, Uttar Pradesh, Rajputana, Kumaon, Nepal, Bombay, Punjab, Japan, and also in America and England. At all these places, the family of devotees continues to grow. Janam Ashtami, 13 Bengali year AD 1903.